condemnable, most irresponsible, and I think basically a statement of greed rather than a statement of reality.
Statement of greed, sir.
I've been in politics. I've
sir,
seen
can
all this
such
for a very
a
long
sir?
time,
I'm glad. Sir, I'm very glad.
Yeah,
no,
allow me to finish.
No, I will let you finish.
Rajdeep,
but
allow me to
Sudhanshu ji,
finish.
you have said something very significant. You are saying it's a statement of greed, not of reality, but greed that could lead to the loss of lives of people. Should such a man be an MLA in this country, sir?
Rajdeep, you did not hear my first two words.
Yes.
I think if you hear that and if you place everything in context, you'll understand it. I said most shocking, most condemnable. That is the first opening statement I made.
Yes.
And I said also a statement of greed rather than reality. Because he appears to me to be a con man who's trying to extract money. Whereas I don't think, I have seen riots, I have seen all this for a long time. I don't think these are realities. These are all claims and fictions just to extort money. But the fact is,
so I don't know how you can say that.
Making something of this kind is most.
How can you say that, Sudhanshu ji?
Rajdeep, that's my experience and I am entitled to my experience. I have seen life, I have seen politics, I have seen all this for 35 years. I have a ringside view from a very, very close quarter. So I have an entitlement to tell you what is my experience in life. Please don't question me on that. The issue is what is being said is most condemnable, most unbecoming of an elected representative.
Should he be sacked?
The party will take cognizance of it. And
should he be sacked? I'm glad you are saying that.
I'm sure, as I said,
should he be at least sent a so-called notice?
Yeah, I am sure that's what I said. Instead of guessing what will happen, I think let's wait for the next 24, 48 hours. And I'm sure there's going to be a significant action on part of the party. Certainly it's going to be a better India. I'm an optimist and I've seen the ascent of India and I think we are much better off than what we were earlier. So I am not a pessimist who looks at doomsday prophecies.
Riots still take place. Violence still takes place.
Allow me to finish, Rajdeep.
Yes.
Rajdeep, yes, these are aberrations of the national life. But when you subscribe motives to it in terms of it being a deliberate endeavor of A political party or B political party, as far as we are concerned, please understand, we do not make any political capital out of it because electorally it never suits us. It is to our deterrent that if riots take place, we are always the losers politically in terms of electoral consequences of that. And if I understand that, rest assured, the entire party also knows it. So that's not something we ever can ever indulge in or can ever endorse or ever desires that. We have a very specific...
Sir, but your MLA is on tape. I know it's undesirable, but he's on tape. And my fear is he will get a ticket because he probably has a vote bank.
Rajdeep, let me tell you one thing, that there are bad apples in an orchard also. So there's one bad apple, that doesn't mean that what is grown there is not apple and not good apple. So please don't use an example to discredit the entire party or the system. The response of the party would be very clear to you in the next few days and you'll know what is the intent as far as the party is concerned. What is more significant, I just heard Rita Bagunaji. Rita Bagunaji Shayad does not remember that they have given ticket to Mavia Ali, who just won from Deoband, one of the most communally sensitive constituencies of Uttar Pradesh, West Uttar Pradesh. And who was he? He was a gentleman who was accused in the Muzaffarnagar riots. So sounding holier than thou, in spite of knowing the antecedent of the gentleman, well, your party can afford to do that. I don't think others can afford to do that. More significantly, as I said, we do not have electoral dividends or gains out of such activities. 2002, there was a riot in Gujarat and we lost 2004. Then 1993, after the Babri Masjid demolition, the environment which got vitiated, 1994 we lost. So where are the political dividends? This entire theory and this entire mindset that BJP benefits out of communal divide and riots, I think it's a perverse imagination of someone's mind about what is the ground reality in terms of electoral consequences. No, these consequences are bad for BJP.
Sir,
that is the reason BJP is simple. We say appeasement to none, justice for all. Sir. Why don't you ask her about Mavia Ali of Deoband? Mavya Ali of Devband, who has been given a ticket in the by-election by her party.
And what about
Just
Sangeet
one year
Soni?
back.
What about
What
Sangeet
about
Soni?
He was the sitting chairman
She's making
of
tall
the
claims.
Palika
We are talking about her tall
claims. And
claims.
anybody who
We are
joins
talking
that
about her tall
does
claims,
not
so
be...
don't